It's crazy. And it ain't distorted either.
No. It's a guy in Buford that usually tunes all of them.
It is? Okay. Yeah. And those are 30s, I guess. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
Jacob been down there with Gary.
Wow. What's your name real quick and what's in here, man? Go ahead.
Man, I'm Rasheed. Ghetto Garage. We do audio, 2013 Camero. It's a lot of music.
Oh,
a lot
yeah.
Of music in it. Over 37,000 watts.
Wow. You built this?
Most of it,
Most of it. Nice job. Pretty and crazy insane. I was just hearing it outside. Nice. And how much power is on just the subs, and what are these subs?
These the FI BTL3s.
Okay.
Built. They got about, it's two cab 45s on it.
Okay.
Wrapped at a half ohm, so they putting out 8,600 watts a piece.
Okay. Wow. And this is a big port. It's like a 10 and a half, 11?
10-inch port.
Okay.
10-inch port.
Nice. And the tuning on that, if you know?
We still messing with it.
Okay.
Like all the gains are still down on the amps.
Yeah.
So we just doing a little tuning and trying to get everything right.
Okay. Yeah, man, I'd love to hear it. This is nice. You ever have any issues with this?
Yes. All the time.
All the time.
Like it's open now because I'm scared if I shut it, it ain't gonna open.
Yeah.
This port come in and out, so we can change it for different tuning. So I'm about to change it out, try a smaller port, and see how it can do.
Yeah.
If it do better, then we'll turn the gains up on amps because they like halfway.
Halfway, okay.
Not even halfway. Like,
any SPL burp test just to try?
It's in the 150s.
150s? I'd say at least a 53 probably or more, yeah. Awesome, man. Thank you for showing me, man.
The bass broke that latch. Long time ago.
I'm surprised. How big are these, all these speakers? Is this a 12?
12's in the doors.
Okay. Wow. And there were no distortion. You did good tuning, tweaking, no ground issue. Nice job. Yes, sir.
Shorty got that body out of hit it with no time, set up. You gon' kill my vibe. Scared on my money, don't know my side. Take them signs.
No me importa lo que de mí se diga, gusta su vida, que yo vivo la mía, que solo es una, disfruta el momento, que el tiempo se acaba y para atrás no verá. Bebiendo, fumando y jodiendo, sigo vacilando de party todos los días.
Maybe together we can get somewhere. Any place is better. Starting from zero, got nothing to lose. Maybe we'll make something. Me, myself, I got nothing to prove. You got a fast car. Now I got a plan to get us out of here. Been working at the convenience store. Managed to save just a little bit of money. Won't have to drive too far. Just to cross the border and into the city. You and I can both get jobs. Find us. I play the game, I play my cards. You break the rules, I break your heart. Fuck around and you stop, lay sky. Is that what you want, babe? Of course, like skies. My niggas smoke kush, no perk. If that puss got a bust, I'm like, no. Every pussy bitch, you the thought that got hurts. I'm a 6. And if one fight, we all fight. Boom, bow, bing, nigga on sight. Nigga, I'm a
Wow. Awesome. I appreciate it, man. Thank you for letting me hear it. Really nice job. Unique to be able to do a port like that. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code Toco-Dixson when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.